Hello from Cala Bona on this 20th of April 2025, Easter Day, Sunday. So happy Easter to everyone or those that are celebrating. It is day 2 of my vacation in Mallorca, and today I slept a lot. I have gotten up at like 1 p.m. and now it is 3 p.m. So I overslept a lot, but I didn't slept at all yesterday when I was traveling. Okay, 2 hours on the flight, but that doesn't count. And I am today very close to my hotel, Sunwing. Now the beach next to the hotel, right in front of the hotel, it's contaminated with lots of seaweed, and it's basically impossible to get in because of the piles of seaweed. So I have opted to come here today on this interesting and scenic stony part of the beach. It's not a beach, but just a coast, I would say. But I really wanted to have one swim before I do the group trainings that I have signed up for. I have Tabata at 3:30 and then Bootylicious at 4. I have not been training a lot since my hair transplant, but today is day 41 and I thought I should start slowly. And these group classes, you can do it on your own pace. You don't need to push it to the maximum like I usually do. So yes, here the water is clean compared to in front of the hotel. Now I have found one beautiful beach at Cala Bona, which is the next village or city that is bigger than Cala Bona, and I was there yesterday. It was amazing, but I may go there after my classes also for another beautiful swim. But yes, today's here we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air currently, and sunny weather with some clouds here and there that you have seen. And in the sea, I didn't measure yet, but based on the sea temperature in Palma, it's 16.4 degrees, and based on what I feel, it feels like that. It feels just about 16.4. And here it would be a bit hard to get in. It's not sandy, but I will go in for a quick dip anyway, as I really want to. Let's see, so I don't step on something unusual. Especially sea urchin, that I have seen one over there. Luckily the water is see-through, so I can see below. There's the sea urchins, you can see right there. Oh, here there are also a few more. So yeah, I would just go in for a very super quick dip here, as I don't want to step on any other sea urchin. All right. So yeah, this was not the best idea, now that I recall. Okay, let's then go in for a quick dip, and I will go for a better beach adventure later on an actual beach, because this isn't fun. So ready, set, and go! I mean, when the water is clean and nice. But I see these sea urchins, so let me show you them as I'm so close to them. Here they are. So yeah, lots of sea urchins here. As this is not an official beach, so they are safe here. So I won't disturb them. I will go out and we'll take a longer swim later today. But I wanted to show you this piece of nature, beautiful piece of nature right next to the Sunwing Hotel in Cala Bona. You can obviously go in for a bigger swim here at this is a bit deeper further down, but it's not so convenient with all the rocks. It's better if it's like a sandy beach. I can see also an entrance to the sea over there with steps that maybe belong to one of the hotels, but you can walk along the coast here, as I think it is free coast in Spain, like it is in Sweden. So yeah, that's it from this unusual episode from this coast here in Cala Bona. I wouldn't call it a beach, but just for the sake of my channel, let's call it a beach adventure, as I have shown you also some sea urchins here in the Mediterranean Sea. So thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.